Samantala, nanawagan ng palasyo sa publiko na maging mahinahon kaugnay sa paglilibing kahapon kay dating Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos sa libingan ng mga bayani. Ito ay matapos ang kilos protesta na isinagawa ng mga tutod sa paglilibing dahil wala sa poder na ehekutibo na mangialam sa naging desisyon ng Korte Suprema. Hinikayat na lamang ng Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte ang mga kritiko ng pamilya Marcos na magsampa ng reklamo sa halip na usigin ang mga ito. Si Rocky Ignacio sa detalye.
Umaasa si Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte na huhupa na ang tensyon sa pagitan ng pamilya Marcos at mga kritiko nito matapos maihimlay ang mga labi ni dating Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos sa libingan ng mga bayani. Nagpalabas ang pahayag ang Pangulo matapos maipabot sa kanyang kaalaman ng ginawang paglilibing sa kanyang pagdating sa Jorge Chavez International Airport sa Lima, Peru. Hinikayat ng Pangulo ang mga kritiko na kasuhan na lamang ang pamilya Marcos sa halip na usigin.
President Rodrigo Duterte released a statement today, Friday, 18th of November, upon landing at Chavez Airport in Lima, Peru, on the burial of former President Ferdinand Marcos, and he said, hopefully, both sides will exercise maximum tolerance and come to terms with the burial of former President Ferdinand Marcos. In an additional statement to the Presidential Communication Office, he further said that he hoped everybody would find a space in their hearts to forgive and to set free those who had hurt or injured them. The decision to bury the late President Ferdinand Marcos today is a personal decision of the Marcos family. We respect their choice of date for the interment.
Iginit pa ng Malacanang na walang poder ang ehekutibo na makialam sa naging desisyon ng Korte Suprema sa usapin.
The Supreme Court lifted the status quo ante order and allowed the burial of the remains, and the President adheres to the ruling of the High Court. Government extended the necessary assistance in matters relating to protocol and honors. We understand that there is a segment of society against the burial at the libingan ng mga bayani. The President fully understands this and has allowed any form of mass action as long as it is legal, peaceful, and in accordance with the law. In the past, he has said, let history judge, but I will do what is legal, and the Supreme Court has ruled that it is.
Kasunod nito, umapela na rin ang palasyo sa publiko na magpakihinahon sa harap ng inaasahang kilos protesta.
Like the President said, that he hopes that we might find a space in our hearts to be able to forgive and set free those who have hurt or injured us. Also, in a more elevated sense of logic, he said that he hoped that the burial would actually bring about a cycle of healing for the Filipino people, and it has been a few decades, and in fact, practically a new generation has grown up not really knowing about the Marcos years, and while we may put these things in perspective later, we certainly hope that the Filipinos will be able to move on and bring about of course people resent, some people resent that statement about moving on, but it is I believe it is a reasonable thing to ask that the people do after this event, that they will set aside differences and learn to build bridges, and that we might build a stronger nation, which we see the President attempting to do it.
Para sa PTV News, Rocky Ignacio, Lima, Peru.